Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a lovely honey braised beef with some apricots, walnuts and pumpkin seeds. Believe me, this is full of flavors. I'm Wes, let's get started. For this recipe you can use the cheap cuts of the beef. I'm using the lower rib. I'm going to leave the fat parts on there because that's going to give me a lot of flavors. And we're just going to cut it in big chunks. There we go. We're going to pour some pepper on there. You can do this very generously. We're also going to salt. Some nice coarse sea salt. We're going to pour half a cup of honey to start up with. Mix it up just to give the beef some good coating. And we're going to preserve this in the fridge while we're doing the rest. 1 red onion. We're also going to add a few slices of ginger. Now of course you can do this recipe in any cooking pan with a lid you like, but I'm going to use my tagine. I really love cooking with clay pots. Pour some olive oil, give it a little bit of coating. Pour the onion, a few of your green peppercorns, a few of our apricots. This is going to give us the base of our gravy. I'm going to add our meat. Put our ginger on there, green peppercorns, about 2 teaspoons of course sea salt. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey on top. Put on the lid. When you use your stove, use the large burner and on low heat of course. And we're going to let our beef simmer for at least 1.5 hours to start with. Our beef has simmered 1.5 hours. And we're going to add about half a cup of pumpkin seeds. These are going to tenderize simmering with the beef. About half a cup of walnuts. And a little bit more than half a cup of apricots. I'm going to try to mix this a little bit. We're going to put the lid back on and we're going to let it simmer another hour. We're going to see if our beef is nicely cooked. At the same time we're going to taste a little bit to see if it's got enough salt. I'm going to give it a little bit more salt, a little bit of honey. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add the potatoes. We're going to clean our potatoes in cold water. We can give them a good brush. And we're going to put our potatoes all around. In a way we can still close the lid of course. I'm going to put some salt on the potatoes, a good pepper mill, and about 1.5 tablespoon of herb de Provence. We're going to try to get some beef fat over our potatoes. And we're going to cook all this for another 40 minutes. It all depends on the size of your potatoes. And here we are, ready to serve. Now as you noticed, we didn't use many spices in this recipe, but with all the ingredients we used, believe me, it is a very flavorful dish. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. And all there's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.